Indus civilization we are going to see in the under the ancient civilization. In the previous part we have seen like Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization and Chinese civilization. Fourth civilization that is called as Indus civilization, it is known as Harappan civilization. It covers an area of over 1.5 million square kilometers in India and Pakistan. So in the Harappan civilization we are going to see about the towns Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, Kalibangan, Lothal are the major cities of the Indus civilization. Fortification, well-planned streets and lanes and drainage can be observed in the Harappan towns. So like forts, streets, lanes all constructed by the baked, unbaked and stones. A few of the houses had more than one floor. A tank called the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro was an important structure. In the Mohenjo-daro, Great Bath was famous. Agriculture and animal domestication in the Harappan civilization or the Indus Valley civilization. The Harappans practiced agriculture. They cultivated wheat, barley and other various types of millets. They adopted a double cropping system. So they grew the crops in the same field, one more than two crops they cultivated. This is called as the double cropping system. Pastoralism was also known to them. They reared cattle, sheep and goats. They had a knowledge of various animals including elephants, but did not use horses. They did not use horses, but they had the like elephants. They used elephants, but they did not use horses. The Harappan cattle are called zebu, and it is a large breed often represented in their seals. Now we are going to see in the Harappan civilization about pottery, metal tools and weapons, textile and ornaments. Pottery. The Harappans used painted pottery. Their potteries have a deep red slip and black paintings. The pottery has shapes like dish on stands, storage jars, perforated jars, etc. The Harappans used cert blades, cert blades, copper objects, and bone and ivory tools. They did not possess knowledge about iron, so they did not have know about the iron. The tools and equipments such as points, scissors, needles, etc. were made of bronze. The Harappans used metals and stone ornaments. They had knowledge of cotton and silk textiles. They made copper and gold ornaments. Stoneware and shell bangles were also used. And Harappans exported to the Mesopotamia. Now trade, exchange, weights and measures of the Harappan civilization. The Harappans had close trade links with Mesopotamians. Harappan seals have been found in the West Asian sites, namely Oman, Bahrain, Iraq and Iran. So in the Iraq, Iran, Oman, Bahrain, Harappan seals were found out. So in these countries they had the trade contact. The The cuneiform inscriptions mention the trade contacts between Mesopotamia and the Harappans. So through that also we could find out the Indus civilization people had the trade contact with the Mesopotamians. The Harappans developed a system of proper weights and measures since they engaged in commercial transactions. The copper plates for weighing balances have also been found in the Indus civilization. Arts and amusement of Indus Valley civilization. The terracotta figurines, paintings on the pottery, and the bronze images from the Harappan sites suggest the artistic skills of the Harappans. Toy carts, rattles, wheels, tops, and marbles made in terracotta suggest the amusement of the Harappan people. The Indus people had a close relationship with nature. They worshipped pipaltree. Some of the terracotta figures resemble the mother goddess. Culture of Indus civilization people. Indus civilization had more than one group of people. Several groups, including farmers, pastoralists, and hunter gatherers, lived in the Indus region. The Indus region had villages and large towns. The population was mixed. Why did Indus culture decline? Because of the changes in the climatical condition, decline of the trade with Mesopotamia, drying up or flooding of the river Indus, foreign invasions, and migration of the people to southern and eastern directions. So these are the causes of the Indus culture, decline of the Indus culture.